old rusty Pekajig again, and just come for a bit of a Sunday morning walk. And I've been doing a bit, like I've always been a keen walker, but I'm at that point in life now where I think I'll go on to the next level with it. So I'm one of those dudes who drive to destinations now to go for walks and shit. But I found a pretty decent one right here. I don't know why I haven't done it in the past, but not only will I be driving down to Red Hill Lookout later, I'm going to go up the very top with the drone, take a fly out there. But first I'm just going to walk up it, in the nature reserve itself, that is. Kind of steep, but I'm no novice to a long walk. About 25 years ago, almost, got my motorcycle licence. Lived in Phillip, and I got my motorbike licence in Phillip, and when I was like 17. So wait, it wasn't 25 years ago. How old am I? 45 next week. So yeah, but I'm kind of fit for my age. But I mean, this is nothing for me really. But the story goes, my brother, he forgot to pick me up, and we lived in Narrabundah, and I just walked home over High Marsh Drive. I didn't care. I never took this, I never took the bush. The bush was always there, but yeah, no stranger to an intense walk. Indeed, it just doesn't really bother me at all. So anyway, hope everyone is generally having a good Sunday, because I know I am. It's pretty good out here. Like it's pretty good, and I'm going to enjoy it, I think, in summer. And well, probably a bit more dangerous in summer though, with snakes. Canberra's pretty hectic with the brown snakes, but like, yeah, what do? Like, it's, I mean, they generally don't really attack you. So I mean, you kind of, if you're not right up in there and up in here, I mean, follow just tracks in general, you should be fine. Now, I'm no scientist, but like, I'd say that looks fun. They all look good, but I reckon this one will probably maybe take me up, maybe somewhere near the lookout, or maybe more the lookout. Probably might be more that way. Not sure, but I'm gonna go with this one. And there's park benches just in case you need a bit of a rest. But nah, I'll be pretty good for now. Like, I'm trying to talk as well. I'm kind of breathing heavy a bit. Before I go, we might as well check out what's at the top of this hill here. Right at the top, there's got to be like a gold mine, right? I mean, yeah, let's go to the top, take a look. But like, yeah, always done it. Walks from Narrabundah to Civic heaps of times. South, Fishwick to Woden hundreds of times. Ain't no stranger to it. It's good for you anyway. But like I'm a gangly motherfucker. Kind of like my grandfather. The rest of the family don't really kind of take after me. On my father's side, that is. And that's where I get it from. And kind of just sleep and eat when I need to, not kind of other ways, like, the old saying how some people kind of built to live and others live to eat, kind of like that. Well guys, it's going to be, there's a lot of shit up here and it's going to certainly keep me going. That patch there looks like Manuka maybe. This Lake Burley Griffin way over there, like way in the distance. Yeah. Anyway guys, what can I say, just enjoy.